Welcome to your March 2022 release highlights. Today we'll be covering updates to generally available features, GA enhancements, and early access features. Let's begin with generally available features. Custom admin role events are now available for use as event hooks. This provides more security to admins by ensuring that they have the correct permissions to perform tasks. See event hooks for more information. Enhanced email macros updates the email templating engine to use velocity templating language. This feature unlocks new syntax that provides enhanced conditional logic and access to all attributes in the Okta user profile object. This allows developers and admins more customization in their user-facing emails. See Customize Email Templates for more information. The default client-based rate limit for OAuth 2.0/authorize and login/login.htm endpoints is now elevated to enforce limit and log per client mode. This means that if your organization's client-based rate limit was previously set to do nothing or log per client, the setting is changed to enforce limit and log per client mode. Note that based on the email communication sent out on February 3, 2022 and February 25, 2022, these changes are not applicable to certain organizations. See default client-based rate limit mode change for more information. Threat Insight can limit or block authentication requests from suspicious IP addresses based on the threat level detected. The rate limit helps ensure that requests from a suspicious IP address do not overload authentication services and affect legitimate traffic. You can now customize the default SMS message template. The admin console checks to determine whether it contains GSM or non-GSM characters and enforces character limit before saving the message. This check ensures that you do not create custom SMS messages that exceed the character limit. If you change existing custom templates, the new restrictions are enforced if your messages contain non-GSM characters. The Custom Administrator Roles feature allows super admins to create admin assignments with granular roles, constrain these admin assignments to resource sets, increase admin productivity, and grant autonomy to different business units for self-management. When an admin role is assigned to a group, the Okta Admin Console is now assigned to group members much faster, and an Add Assigned Application to Group Events appears in the system log. This helps super admins monitor the event activity in their organization. See System Log for more information. Immutable unique data types can now be used with Okta LDAP and AD Agent Actions. This allows admins to locate users when a username is updated or when the user is moved. It also helps to reduce the time that admins spend managing users and ensures that they can always locate user profiles after an update or when a username changes. Admins can now upgrade to the latest version of our share file integration. OAuth provides more secure authentication and will now be used for provisioning and imports. See Configure Sharefile OAuth and REST integration for more information. This feature is currently available to new organizations only. Group Push now supports the ability to link to existing groups in NetSuite. You can centrally manage these apps in Okta. This is important because it allows you to set up and push Okta groups into NetSuite instead of recreating them in NetSuite. See About Group Push for more information. Social login is a form of SSO that uses existing information from a service, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Google, to sign in instead of creating a new account. We're making it easy for Okta admins to add new IDPs with out-of-the-box integrations for GitHub, GitLab, Salesforce, and Amazon, with more to come. These integrations add to our existing social IDP catalog in the OIN, allowing users to quickly sign up or sign into your application without entering an email or creating a new password. Let's move on to GA enhancements. In the App Settings panel of the Okta End User Dashboard, the copy buttons for the username and password fields are now renamed to copy username and copy password. If a group rule results in a higher group app assignment priority on an existing app user, the user is now remapped to the higher priority group assignment. Group push failure event hooks now allow customers to monitor for failures that will not be retried and use them to trigger automations, such as execution of a flow in Okta workflows. Group push failure notifications have been repurposed and improved to provide better error descriptions for our customers. Let's conclude with early access features. Previously, the org-to-org integration only supported token-based access to the Okta API. You can now configure the org-to-org integration to access the Okta API as an OAuth 2.0 client. This increases security by limiting the scope of access and providing a better mechanism to rotate credentials. See Integrate Okta org-to-org with Okta for more information. Admins can now use the search bar to quickly find groups in addition to users and apps. See Admin Console Search for more information. To seamlessly use key pairs and rotate them frequently, you can now configure private_key_JWT client authentication in the admin console for OAuth clients by specifying the URL where you store your public keys. See Manage Secrets and Keys for OIDC apps for more information. The User Accounts report allows you to view users with accounts in Okta and their profile information. It helps you manage and track user access to resources, meet audit and compliance requirements, and monitor the security of your organization. The report is located in the Entitlements and Access section of the Reports page. See User Accounts report for more information. To simplify access control decisions for their organizations, admins can now select the groups that they want to expose in the LDAP interface directory information tree. In addition to Okta groups, admins now have the option to view the application groups that are significant to their orgs, including Active Directory and LDAP groups. See Expose App Groups in the LDAP Interface Directory information tree for more information. And that's your March 2022 release highlights.